Okay, today we're replacing a BMW xDrive28i battery. Took out the BMW battery. This is a, I forget what they called it. I thought they said R45 or something like that. Anyways, batteries plus, 80% discount. Sign up for text. Came out to 294 bucks. Other than 350, 80 bucks, whatever. So there. Right now I'm gonna put this bracket on. This slides in there. There's a bolt down there and a bolt there. So we're using a 10 millimeter, or no, 13 millimeter. And you can never see that because it won't pick it up. Wonderful. There, now you might see it. 13. I need an extension. What I did is I ran my arm through here, over to there, and got it started. If you can see my finger, got it started here. Now this other bolt, there's this bracket here, goes down in that corner to hold that down. And there's one more. One for up here. This one goes here. Sorry, down in here. Anyways, I'll get that going, and then I'll put that corner brace down there, and then I'll start by putting these back together. This cable here will go on this post. This will go into here, and then this will go down with a 10 millimeter under the post. Once those are hooked up, I'll come back and put the negative on. But there's really only 1, 2, 3, 4 connections, and then you're pretty much good to go. Be aware these batteries are pretty heavy. I got this from Batteries Plus. I got a 4-year warranty on it. Yeah, that's it. And of course, this cover is a pain in the butt. The little snaps, they go here. This one actually broke off. This one just popped through. It's a little cold here. It's 8 below 0. So it's a little chilly to be doing this, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna hook all this up and put the bolts down, and I'll show you when it's done, what it looks like. There's the 13 mil, dropping that one in. Got a very good light. Drills light. Oh, the camera light ain't working. But now we're going to put the corner brace in. I'm going to, and it looks kind of like that. There's multiple holes to line it up with down there, but it should go pretty smooth. All right, now we got some light. Maybe. Anyways, this little bracket here, it's 2 pieces. You want to make it spread out a little bit, and then start it. Make sure your battery is pushed all the way this way and all the way over here to this brace. And then that'll go on easier. This black cable, the negative. Try to get that out of your way. And then, anyways, this extension goes a long ways. 13 mil. That's all you need. Bada bing, bada boom. Got that in there. Do my negative last. I'm going to start working on these positive connections over here. And then these are 13s as well. This guy and this guy. These 2. Alright, so I got this terminal on, this connected to here. Now I'm ready to take this plastic cap off down here and mount this. And this is a 10 millimeter. That's the easy way. 10 millimeter. Right here. This guy. And that's what we're going to do next. I'm leaving this black cap on here. I don't get accidental spark. Here we go. This cover just ripped right off. It's just got 2 little tabs holding down. This was in there from the previous dealer who did it and decided not to take his garbage out from the BMW battery. As you see, there will be a little black cap down there. It needs to be removed. That's not coming off. So anyways, I'll be taking that off and sliding this post over that, and then tighten this down to 10 millimeter from the, well, the Milwaukee grip. So you get the old pipe wrench out, get that off. Don't touch any metal while you're doing it, you'll be good. Here we go, you just put the 10 mil on, get that tightened up. All these covers just snap down. It's for you to snap. A lot of stuff going on in here, but don't be afraid. Make sure everything's secure. Tight, tight, tight. You can just lift it out to see if you get at that. There you go. Now you can take this guy off. Yeah, we can put this one on. A little sparky spark. Don't worry. I'll hurt you. Tighten this guy down. Make sure that's secure first. That ain't going nowhere. That looks good. That should be it. Now we're gonna close all this up and see if it starts. It should. It's gonna tight. This whole bracket. This holds the left side down. That down there holds the rest of it in. Tight, 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 tight. That should be it. Amateur hour. Back to BMW. All right. Let's see if she starts. In case you didn't know, hatch here. Lift it up. That's how you get to your battery. Pop these other little knobbers out. And you can get at it. That just rests in there. This is the handle. There you go. Close her all up. And we'll give her a start.